Welcome. Here is how to delete a Facebook page in 2022. So, if you go to your Facebook profile, then click on this menu and then go click on pages. Or if you're not here, you might be somewhere here, facebook.com. you can see, okay, and equally you can go through these pages here, but let's assume that you are here, okay. So go for the menu up here and scroll down to pages, okay. You will see all the pages you have, okay. So let me go ahead and delete this page. Programming very easy. So what you have to do is to go for the switch now. Click on that switch now, and that will take you to the page itself. Once you're here, go straight to these three dots here, okay. Go straight to these three dots here. Click on that three dots, then scroll down and go for page and tagging settings. Click on that, and that will take you here. So once you're here, go for Facebook page information, and then scroll down to deactivation and deletion. So go click on the view, and if you want to go for a deactivation, this can be temporary, you go for that. But if you want to delete your page, this is permanent, just go for click on that delete, check that, and then go for continue, and permanently delete page. When you delete your page, okay, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information that your page has shared on Facebook. Your messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. So if you want to save or copy your messages and other things before you delete that, you can go ahead and do so. Otherwise, then go for continue. So you can download your information, transfer your information depending on what you want to do. But if you don't want to do such, just go straight and click on continue. And here it says confirm that this is your page. Before you permanently delete a page, please enter your password, okay. So go enter your Facebook password, okay, and then go for continue. Confirm permanent page deletion. We'll go for that and look at the information here. You can go and read that. You are about to permanently delete your page. If you are ready to delete it, click delete. So just read this and then read this information and then continue. If you are satisfied with this, continue. If not, you can cancel. But if you are here to know how to delete it, go straight and click on continue. So let's go to pages and see if we can see that it's no longer here, as you can see. So this is how to delete a Facebook page in 2022. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate that notification bell so that anytime a video is posted, you will be notified to come check it out. Thanks for watching, and God bless you.